Hare Krishna. If you do not observe Ekadashi, then please start observing. Why? Because you are inviting all the sins in the world by eating grains on Ekadashi. Annam should not be eaten on Ekadashi days. Not only on Ekadashi, any Vishnu Tattva days like special days like Krishna Janmashtami, Ramanavami, Narasimha Chaturdashi. So these days you should not eat anything. If you eat, you are committing a sin of Panchamaha Papa, the 5 great sins. Example, killing your own parents, killing your own siblings, and Guru. So, like this, you are accumulating sins by eating grains on Ekadashi. So, please, at least on Ekadashi day, please have some self control. If it is very difficult for you to not eat anything, then you can eat Anukalpa Prasadam. Example, fruits, milk, nuts, unsalted nuts. You should eat, not salted nuts. And so it's always best to eat only these 3 with root vegetables, sattvic root vegetables, for example, sweet potato, etc. So please try to not eat grains at least on Ekadashi. Even in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is told Padma Purana, Skanda Purana, Brihat Naradiya Purana. Everywhere it is told that you will definitely get sins by eating food on Ekadashi. This is even applicable for children. So minimum age, you should start from the age of 7 at least. At least from the age of 7, you should start observing Ekadashi. Okay, otherwise you are committing a sin. Even though you are not killing directly, by eating grains, it is mentioned in the scripture that you are getting the sin of killing your parents, etc. So it is that powerful sins you are getting. So please avoid grains on Ekadashi. Now we will see references for it. Pratyannam cha brahmahatya kotijam vrijinam bhavet. Punarvachmi shruyatam naraha. We will see the meaning of first line. Pratyannam. Annam means grains, especially rice grain or wheat grain. Pratyannam cha brahmahatya kotijam. You get the sin of killing crores of brahmanas. So brahmahati dosha means killing of Brahmana. So that dosh you will get by eating grains on Ekadashi. Vrijinam bhavet. Bhavet means you will get Brahmahati dosha, that is sin of killing crores of Brahmanas. This is what Shaunaka Rishi told to Suta Rishi when Suta Rishi asked him to tell about the importance of observing Ekadashi fasting. And the next line of shloka, Punarvachmi shruyatam naraha. Punarvachmi means I am again and again telling. Vachmi means vachan. Punar means again and again I am telling this, that you should not eat on Ekadashi. Punarvachmi shruyatam. Again and again you should also listen. Shruyatam means listening. Shravanam. Who should listen? Naraha. O human, please listen. Listen. I am again and again telling, do not eat grains on Ekadashi. That is the meaning of this 19th shloka. Let's go to next one, 20th shloka. Here, na bhoktavyam harer dine. Gangadishu cha tirteshu snatva yat palamapyate. Here he is saying, in the first line. Do not eat, do not eat, do not eat. 3 times he is saying. Na bhoktavyam. Bhoktavyam means eating. Na bhoktavyam means do not eat. So 3 times he said do not eat. When Harer Dine, when you should not eat, especially on the day of Hari. Harer Dine. Dine means what? Day. Harer means Hari. So which are the days of Hari? Ekadashi, Ramanavami, Krishna Janmashtami, Narsimha Chaturdashi, whatever special days are there which is related to Hari is called Harer Dine. So on the day of Hari, you should not eat grains. You should observe Ekadashi fasting. Even Janmashtami fasting, Ramanavami fasting should be like Ekadashi fasting. If you do that, what benefits you will get? That he told it in the next line. You will get the benefit of taking bath in all the holy rivers, all the tirthas, especially Gangadishu cha tirtheshu. Even you will get the benefit of Ganga Snanam. Snatva, you will get the benefit of taking bath in the holy rivers like Ganga. That was the benefit. Yat phalam apyate. Phalam means benefit you get by not eating grains on Ekadashi. You all must be knowing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is considered Krishna himself. His mother was not observing Ekadashi because she thought Sumangalis should not observe Ekadashi. Sumangali means a woman whose husband is still alive. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told it is not like that. Everyone should observe Ekadashi. Even a child should observe Ekadashi. And he pleaded her to observe Ekadashi fasting. This story is in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And there is another book called Hari Bhakti Vilasa written by Sanatana Goswami. In that, he gathered references from various Puranas and mentioned that annam or grains should not be taken on Ekadashi. Apart from this, there is another book called Vaishnava Amrita. Even in that book, there are references from other Puranas where it is mentioned that those who are eating grains on Ekadashi are eating several different types of sins, because Papa Purusha, the sin personified, is sitting on grains on Ekadashi day. So regarding Papa Purusha, I already uploaded a video 2 years before. I will share the references, and whatever references related to Ekadashi was already there, I will give the link both in the description and the comments. We are at the end of the video, so please avoid eating any grains on Ekadashi. Eat only fruits, unsalted nuts and milk. Hare Krishna.